Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The excitement over a possible 2026 Cadillac RV conjures up an image of refined leisure travel that skillfully combines the brand's heritage of luxury with the usefulness of a mobile home. Cadillac's modern design language, which is distinguished by its forceful, assertive presence on the road, crisp, sculpted lines, and unique vertical lighting characteristics, would probably be embodied by such a car. To optimize natural light and picturesque views for its occupants, the exterior would probably have high-end materials and finishes, possibly with subtle chrome accents and wide, panoramic windows. In order to ensure both fuel efficiency and a luxurious driving experience, aerodynamic considerations would be crucial. A sturdy and cutting-edge chassis designed for a comfortable and smooth ride should be expected beneath the elegant facade. Cadillac's proficiency in ride management and noise reduction would be essential to establishing a calm travel atmosphere. The powertrain would probably be based on Cadillac's current models, possibly having a strong yet elegant engine that would provide enough power for lengthy trips over a variety of terrains. The integration of cutting-edge driver assistance technologies, which are synonymous with the Cadillac brand, would surely improve motorist safety and convenience. A 2026 Cadillac Motorhome's interior would be a haven of opulence and cutting-edge technology. Ambient lighting, finely crafted wood or metallic trim, and premium leather upholstery would all add to the elegant comfort of the space. The living space would probably have luxurious chairs, a top-of-the-line entertainment system with built-in connectivity, and well-thought-out storage options. Modern appliances that blend in perfectly with tasteful cabinets would be installed in the kitchen area. Comfort and peace would be given first priority in the sleeping quarters, which might include a roomy design and high-quality bedding. Additionally, to improve the vacation experience, a 2026 Cadillac RV would probably include state-of-the-art electronics. This might feature seamless smartphone connectivity, user-friendly controls for car systems, and an extensive infotainment system with a huge touchscreen display. In order to provide residents with communication, entertainment, and navigation capabilities, connectivity would be crucial. Modern climate control systems would guarantee a comfortable atmosphere regardless of the outside weather. From the caliber of the materials to the accuracy of the construction, the inside would be a testament to attention to detail. A 2026 Cadillac Motorhome would essentially be a combination of luxury cars and leisure time. It would serve affluent people looking for a luxurious, comfortable, and technologically advanced travel experience that would enable them to tour the world without sacrificing the elegant features and chic styling that are synonymous with the Cadillac brand. Delivered with a distinct touch of Cadillac elegance, such a vehicle would probably occupy a premium place in the market, appealing to individuals who value both the route and the destination.